give you my heart.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Rylee and welcome. So I'm vlogging pretty late. It's like 3 o'clock p.m. and yeah, I'm just having a beach day here and tanning. But I kind of want to vlog, so we're gonna see how this vlog turns out. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the beach vlog. Okay guys, so I have my cover up still on. I just kind of want to just tan now. So I'm gonna put some sunscreen on so I don't burn. But hopefully I tan. Oh, and that's my mom in the background. Hold on, I'll zoom in. I don't think I can zoom in. Okay. Well, yeah. I don't know if she wants to be in the video, but yeah. So, yeah, we're gonna get some sunscreen on because I burn easily. But hopefully that I can still tan. So yeah, we're gonna go do that. Let's go. Guys, I got my sunscreen on my back. Yeah, we're gonna tan. Also, I love this shell necklace. It kind of reminds me of like a Sarah Cameron look. If you don't know Sarah Cameron, she's Sarah. Can we restart that? Alright guys. So if you don't know Sarah Cameron, she's a character on Outer Banks. So yeah. I don't know why that was so hard for me to get out. But yeah. I kind of want to do like a Sarah Cameron look, like turn into her. I know I've seen a lot of videos of people doing that. I kind of want to do that. Let me know down below if I should do that. And yeah. Leave a like if I should do that too. And yeah, we're gonna tan. Oh, also, I'm bringing out the Taylor Swift pink sunglasses from last year. Hi guys, update. We just got back from the beach. I'm still in my bathing suit here, and yeah, so yeah, I didn't really film that much at the beach. I did do a TikTok, so that's gonna be in here. So if you wanna see that TikTok, and yeah, I'm just gonna get probably showered and dressed. And then I'll vlog, okay? Peace out. Hi guys, sorry my hair's a mess. I just worked out, but I forgot to end this video. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe down below. And I'll leave my socials down below, and I'll do shout outs in the next video. So, see you guys. Peace out.